The M0309 code in your Bobcat means that a voltage in the system is too low. It may or may not start with the code being active. In most cases, the reason for the problem is a weak 12-volt battery. It may be fine to turn on the lights and power electronics, but when it comes to cranking the engine, it will drop voltage significantly and you will get the M0309 code. So how to check this? You need a load tester, or use the multimeter and measure the voltage on the battery terminals at the moment when the engine is cranking. If it drops lower than 10 volts, it means the battery is too weak. There are two ways to solve this: charge the battery and check if it works well now, or alternatively replace the battery with the new one. Secondly, the reason for the M0309 code may be loose or corroded connections. First of all, these are the battery connections and ground connection. The ground connection is the strap that is attached to the negative terminal. On the other side is attached to the body of your equipment. These connections are often corroded because they may be affected by water. Cleaning them may help, and also starter connections may be loose, which will create resistance and drop the voltage when you're trying to crank the engine. In some cases, the M0309 code may also be triggered by other issues in the electrical system of your Bobcat, like fuses or damaged wiring. In these cases, troubleshooting becomes a little bit harder and requires professional help.